Step 1. Turn on the DTF printer and curing oven. Then wait for the curing oven to reach the preset temperature. Step 2. Graphic design. Use graphic design software to create or import the design. Ensure the color mode is set to CMYK for accurate color reproduction. Step 3. Perform pre-print processing on the image using DTPW printing software. Step 4. Open the Batter Printer app. Perform ink extraction, line testing, and print position confirmation. Once everything is correct, load the image, set the print parameters, and click Print. Once printing begins, the DTF printer will automatically apply hot melt powder without manual intervention. The PET film, coated with hot melt powder, automatically passes through a curing oven, melting the powder to bond firmly with the white ink. Place the PET transfer film onto the target substrate, and use a heat press machine to apply heat. The melted hot melt powder will permanently bond the ink to the material. Step 8. After cooling, peel off the PET transfer film.